Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about how to file GSTR-3B. Let's understand GSTR-3B. GSTR-3B is a monthly quarterly summary return filed by GST registered businesses in India. It includes details of outward supplies, sales, input tax credit, ITC, claims, tax payments, and refunds. Step-by-step filing of GSTR-3B. Step 1. Log in to GST portal www.gst.gov.in. Enter credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Returns Dashboard, Services Returns Dashboard. Step 3. Select financial year and month. Choose correct period GSTR-3B. Step 4. Enter details section-wise, outward supplies, ITC claimed, tax payment. Step 5. Validate and preview check for errors. Save draft. Step 6. Make payment and file, pay tax. Submit with DSC EVC. Step 7. You will get ARN generation, success. Save acknowledgement. Pro tips. Late fee, 50 rupees per day. Use PMT 0